Hi there. Today I'm going to teach you how to put together the VEVOR collapsible rain barrel. So this is my second one of these that I've put together. And the first time I did this, I didn't see anywhere online where there was a like a video or any tutorials. So that's why I'm putting this tutorial together, so that way if you buy one of these, the resources out there. Okay, it is again called VEVOR collapsible rain barrel. When you get it out, you're going to have this. That's the rain barrel. Now yours might be bigger than mine. This was the 50 gallons, I think. You're gonna get these orange bars and a bag of goodies. So first things first, undo this and open it up. You will immediately see that it doesn't look very stable, but it does hold water. So there is a zipper on top, as you can see, for the lid. This is the little where the water goes in, and then there are two holes. So there's a hole here and another hole down near the bottom. There are also on the sides and not very, it's kind of hidden, but on the sides here you can see there's this little slot. I don't know if you can see this little slot here. You're going to take your orange bars and stick them up through the slots. Now, if the company VEVOR decides that they don't like how I do this and I did it wrong, that's fine. I can make a new video or whatever. This is just how I figured out how to do it with not having any instructions. And so you're just going to find all of these holes and just kind of cram the sticks into the holes. And as you do, it will start to take shape. Trying to make this a really fast video, and it is taking a lot longer than I thought it would, since I knew what I was doing this time. But it's just because these little slots are kind of sticky, you know. It's like they're not super easy to get the bars into. There. Oh, that one went in nicely. Okay. We've only got 2 more left. So there's one. And sometimes you have to do a little finagling with the shape of it. This is our last one. Oh, no, it's not. I've got another one left. My mistake. If you normally watch me for entertainment, or to do like chore side-by-sides like I like to do, sorry, this isn't it, but I felt like I actually really like this rain catchment, and they do have bigger sizes. I think they go up to like 200 gallons or something like that. I do like the setup, and I've actually shown you guys my water catchment, the one of them that's outside. So I just wanted you to know how to put them together, just in case you need help. There, okay. So that's all of the things are in. Now we're just gonna go find those 2 holes that I talked about, and there's actually 3 holes, so, which I had forgotten about. So there's a very bottom hole here at the very bottom, and then there's a hole right here in the middle, and a hole up on the top. So we're gonna open our little bag of goodies. And I like the way I have it set up on my first one. So I'm just gonna do this one the same way. Again, if that's not how it's supposed to be done, well, sorry. So you're gonna find the one that looks like this. This is going to be, for me, my top spout. It's the only white one. So, or not the top spout, I'm sorry. This is gonna be the middle spout. And it just screws in, oops, just like this. And they include tape, but I didn't find that mine leaked, so I am not going to use plumber's tape because I am inherently, I want to spend as little time as I can doing stuff like this. But if you feel like yours might need some plumbing tape, go ahead. Use some plumber's tape. Okay, so that one's in there. And it just screwed right in. There's little feet for the, oh, I remember the feet didn't fit. Yeah, don't use the feet. Okay. Then this gray one here with the red on-off nozzle, I like that one to go on the bottom because it shoots out real nicely. And I use that to wash things. Get down on the ground, wash my hands, or wash up my dish, or whatever I'm doing. This also just screws right in. Okay, so now we've got that. And then up here at the top, I don't actually know what this hole is for, but I know that I don't really want an extra hole. So I found this gray thing with like a, you know, doodad on it. And I just stuck that right through this hole here. And it does fit. So I think that that's where that goes. And then this sieve looking thing screws right on there, and then we don't have a hole on the top of our, oh, it's probably for like a water overflow or something. But there's also a water overflow on the side here, so if the water gets too full, it will come out of this hole. And anyways, that's it. And you just zip up the top here. I am actually going to throw a mosquito junk in this later, because we are supposed to be getting some rain. That's why I'm putting this together real fast. And but other than that, it's been really hot, so I don't want it to get full of mosquitoes. So that's it. That's the whole setup. And then in addition to all that fun stuff, it also comes with patch kits if you need patches, and a really fun bonus of little tags for your seedlings. So that's it for now. I hope that helped you guys put together your collapsible water barrel. Have a good one.